have all the fireworks America needs right here in today's Top That Trade. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options trading pro, ready to battle for the best. Here we go with round number one, gentlemen. China calm question. Central bankers warn of a China collapse. Are you a buyer or a seller of China?
China.
When are people not worried about China slowdown? It's my
worried
whole
about
life.
China. They have been.
But it's still maintaining this momentum.
But there were a lot of problems. I mean, people forget that it was just like a year ago that we had one of the worst starts to a stock market in ever because of China. And there are a lot of problems in China, and it is a risk. If people think China isn't at a risk, they're not paying attention. There's a lot of bubbly things happening in China. Bubbly again.
So
careful.
their debt to GDP ratio is rising.
It's
their
through the roof.
Household debt ratios are rising.
Right.
But again, it's about growth, and you have that many people. I am looking for that growth to continue. You're getting population growth, you're getting economic growth. The market I like is somewhat next door, Japan. Japan, the Nikkei was trading between 20,000, went down to 15,000, bounced back up, now right near those highs again. So if it can make new highs, the distance of that sell-off targets 25,000, which is 25% above where we are here.
Growth for the sake of growth isn't growth. It's a problem, and that's one thing that you have to look at.
I'm still
China.
growing. You're still growing.
China. I do like Japan, though. I think Japan is getting ready to go up right now, but there's also geopolitical risk because Japan, of course, has a few problems with North Korea, so you got to be careful.
Now that we've covered the Asian nations, let's move back to America. Dollar dive is our question for round number two. The dollar touched a new low for 2017 this week, and treasuries have trickled down to multi-month low treasury yields. Which one of you can tell us what this is signaling?
It says one thing. It says there's going to be no rate hike. 0 rate hikes this year. Maybe December, but it's only a 50-50 chance in December. The dollar's continuing to decline, but in the big picture, it's just pulled back. It's been somewhat range bound. As long as it holds above this 95 level, it should hold solid here. And 90 is really the big level down below from a couple years ago.
The Fed keeps telling us they're raising rates this year.
When?
They said it. They said it at the last Fed meeting that they're going to raise rates this year.
You know what people do on the 4th of July? Fishing.
Right.
Right. And you got a hook in your mouth.
Right.
You believe?
Are you saying that the Fed is misleading
I think
America
the Fed,
on Independence Day?
The Fed.
You are accusing the Federal Reserve on Independence Day of misleading America.
I can't hear you. You got a hook in your mouth. But anyways, they lead you on. They tell you what you want to hear to get the performance that they want. And they've done that very, very well, mind you, for the last handful of years, 5 or 10 years. That's what's gotten the markets where we are.
So are you saying the ends justify the means as
Yes.
far as the Federal concern is?
Yes. They know what they're doing.
They know what they're doing. I say the Fed is going to raise rates this year.
Maybe.
On to round number three, barbecue briquettes. The Clorox company, which owns Kingsford Charcoal Briquettes, remains the leading manufacturer of charcoal in the U.S., enjoying an 80% market share. Clorox or natural gas, which is better for your fourth forecast?
Well, I think at the end of the day, the problem with the briquettes, it doesn't work very good in my natural gas grill. And I try to get that smell.
Yeah, I was going to say that's going to cause a
problem. It doesn't work very well.
So has the fire department been to your house lately?
They haven't been recently,
All right.
but I'll tell you what, the better buy, of course, is natural gas. You're always safe with natural gas.
Yeah,
well, not
natural
always
gas,
safe.
UNG looks like it's bottomed out at 6, a double bottom here. It's been trading between 6 and 10, so we could easily get back to 10 for it's been doing that for the last couple of years. I think it's overly beaten down. Clorox is a very conservative play. Now, I'm going to be the fan of the Kingsford Charcoal because I'm from Upper Michigan. That's where this idea came from, that they took the excess wood from Ford Model T Woodies, and they didn't want to waste it. They turned it into charcoal, and look at now it's big business.
Very big business. You're going to have
There's a history fact.
in natural
There's
gas.
a history fact now.
The
You have
U.S.
for 4th
is
of
going
July.
to be a major producer of natural gas or a major exporter, but their production is not keeping pace, and we're supposed to get a warmer than normal rest of the summer, so your bills are going to be going up. Natural gas is the play. Forget Clorox.
Stay fired up for your bonus round question for today. How many hot dogs?
All right.
Oh, yes.
There we go.
Do Americans
John Adams.
eat on the
Red, white,
4th
and
of
blue.
July? Is it around 300 million hot dogs, 200 million hot dogs, or 150 million hot dogs?
How many do you
Let's 50 million. I do
How many hot
100,
dogs are you
100
gonna
million
have?
for me,
Okay, all
and
right.
50 million
so
for
then
you.
we should double that then. I think she likes to be shocking with the high number. So let's go. I'm going to go with the high number.
Come on.
Phil, you did it again. The answer is 150 million hot dogs.
Oh, we did it again. Thank you very much. You'll do good by following me. Keep up the good
all right.
work.
I'll try.
Congratulations.
I'll try.
Enjoy your 4th of July. Business First AM continues right after this.